Okay, I'm gonna make a video about how to use engage hits on mobile devices. So first of all, you guys must have Kiwi browser. You can download it for free from Play Store. And then wait, I'm closing all the tab and one, and then go to the extension. Yeah. Make sure the developer mode is on. Click load and then go to files where you put the engage hits. Now there's the difference between what you do on PC or laptop and what you do on mobile browser. In PC or laptop, you need to extract the engage hits zip files, but in Kiwi or in mobile, you don't need to extract it. You just need to click on the Chrome. See, both of them. I got two here. I will remove one of them. So you just need to extract the you just need to install the zip file. Okay, and then to make sure it's already, you will see when the extension is already, you will see on the bottom panel, on the bottom panel there is an engage hits. You click on it. I already logged in, so I was bring directly here. From here, now the step to make sure that engage hits will run automatically, you need to enable the desktop side here. Now click on the earn advertising or earn money. I'm choosing the blue one. Now it's direct us to the new tab where the youtube.com, but as you can see in the bar, it's m.youtube.com. It's mean that mobile.youtube.com, in which engage hits will not work. So again, you go to desktop side. You go to desktop side, and then see, I didn't click anything. Engage hits already working. Mostly in the first video, out of 10, you need to click it manually to play it. And then go to the speed to speed up the process. Now I'm choosing 2. Let's see after the first one. For your note, I didn't click the, I already subscribed, so engage hits already get it. It's still manual. It's on the first video out of 10. The video finished. It's automatically going into the second video. Now it's automatic play. I'm not touching anything.
اهلا وسهلا بكم في هاد جيمز مع حلقه جديده وفيديو
and
جديد
it's already
من الالعاب
going into
والبي سي.
full speed.
فاليوم مع لعبه ادفنشر
All the screen is
والتشويق
going automatic.
والرعب حقيقه.
I
يعني
didn't
اللعبه
touch
اسمها
anything.
ايفل ويدين 2. كان فيها الجزء الاول يعني من سنوات وحين الجزء الثاني. يعني لعبه جميله جدا ومشوقه فيها الحماس، وهذا اول فيديو لها. من الفيديو يكون يعني يعجبكم، فندخل الاعدادات كلها، نظبط الاعدادات ونخش مباشره على اللعبه.
Now the third video. It's third video. Everything is going fine. The automatic program is working. Okay, so from here and then I think only the first video needs to be manual. The rest of it is going automatically. This is awesome. Now we can use this on mobile devices. See, to make sure, I'm letting it to the fourth videos.
Temenan apa orang? Nek temenan kuwi ndak ngerti dhisik nang kuwi. Ono ora temenan kok iwak-iwak kok.
Okay, see, the autoplane, everything playing automatically.
Lọc tiếng Anh rồi.
Terus iki perusahaan
Sorry, the network speed
Tiếng ngọt rồi.
isn't good enough.
Ồ.
Chứ nói mấy cái việc cái đầu đó, nói tiếng Anh luôn.
Okay, so
Như vậy là không được.
as you can see,
Cái đeo là em út vô còn 8.
sometimes the subscribe button is automatic.
Anh về đi em phải về.
Điều này chấm bút gì
Okay, that's all.
I am from Việt Nam hả?
Now I know that
Rôm gì
Oh,
nó
now we know that.
ghê.
Rồi,
Engage hits
là 7 chữ cái.
is completely
Thấy
operating
rồi, thấy không?
in the Kiwi browser.